welcome back to my channel. I decided to make a quick video on how I achieve my dreadlocks. My fox locks is what you call them, but they are crochet. They are crochet individually. The hair that I'm using is Bobby Boss, and I believe it's called New Locs, I believe, but it's right there on the video. And I purchased 2 crochet needles right along with my Shining Jam braid gel. I like that jam better because it holds better and it slicks everything down. The hair that I use, it also comes with 20 pieces of hair, and I only used about 3 packs of that hair. And here we go. So as you see, I had actually put the needle through my roots of my braid, and I actually crocheted them. But when you crochet them, make sure your natural hair is inside the loop of the knot of the crochet. So now I am getting my needle and I'm going through the lock and I'm actually dragging it down. And you got to have patience to do stuff like this. I had started doing this back in 2018, but I haven't did it in a while, so I was like, okay, this is a little something. So I did it for the second braid just to show y'all how I got my hair. And plus I have long hair, so it's going to take a little while. As I finished this dread, making sure that my natural hair is inside the dread, I brought it up so you can see you don't see my hair at all. And I started my hair at 11 a.m. that day, and I think I didn't finish till, I believe, 7, only because I was taking breaks. I plaited my hair. Then as I was starting to do my hair, it was almost time for me to get my baby. So I had to get my baby. Then I had to go get me something to eat because the girl had to eat. So yeah. But I think this style will take about 4 hours. And it depends on your hair length, really. If you have long hair and you are trying to achieve this look, yeah, it's gonna take longer. But this is the finished look, guys. As you can see, I was so tired. It was time for me to go to bed. I had to go to work the next morning. So this is the finished look with my jewels in my head. I have a thing where I overdo my jewelry, and as you see, I'm feeling myself right now. I threw some lashes on. Yeah, you can't tell me nothing, okay? You see my roots. You don't see where the braids start. I did where, you can't even see if it was a crochet. It was actually, my dreads that I grew for 10 years, and I dyed my tips. So I'm trying out this bun style, and I like it. You can tell it's fresh, and yeah, go girl. But as far as the style, will I do it again? Yes. And I like the hair method. You see my 2 different earrings. But yeah, thank you for stopping by watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. I love you guys. More videos will be coming soon. And I hope you enjoyed yourself. Thank you for stopping by.